Hello and welcome to Colleague 7's Sprint Review for 17.03.02. This is for development undertaken between the 22nd of March to the 4th of April. We'll start with the sprint goal, and in this instance it was to complete the work to provide notifications within the solution for CV links, as well as the ability to attach documents from emails. Looking at the high-level items here, the key points were to finalise the web service, which will be used ongoing for passing data to and from Colleague 7 as the framework to our API. To build the notifications panel, which will be used to inform a user when a CV has been downloaded. We have lots of plans of how we'll use this feature in future. At the moment, the CV parser supports the creation of new records, so the next step is to attach documents to existing records. And as an ongoing project, we continue to make minor updates to the UI to tidy up and polish in the build-up to launch. We'll now go through a short demonstration on the new features from this sprint. Okay, so we're going to begin within the documents received area. So this is to look at the feature that we've added, which allows you to attach documents that you've received to existing records within Colleague. So in the documents received area, you'll obviously receive a list of all emails that you have in your inbox that have attachments associated to them, and this is from the date that's been set here in terms of when the emails were received. When you click on an email, as you did before, you have the parse attachment option, but we now have this feature here for attaching documents to records. When you click on this feature, what it will do is a search against the email address from the email that you received, and it will look at any associated entities within the system that match that email address. In this instance, we've obviously found one here. We do have an option as well to include live requirements, and also, as well as that, include placements. So if you had received a document from a contact, say, that's associated with a live requirement with a brief, then it would be possible to attach that document to their requirement via this workflow. When selecting the candidate you're looking to update, we then need to add in a description. Done a few examples here, and we'll set it as a default option type there. And then we hit save. As part of that process, then obviously it attaches that document to the associated record. You then do get a link here as an option to then go about opening that record. And then on the Documents tab, you can see that document has been added there. Okay, the other main feature as part of this sprint was the notifications panel. And this is the option that's been added top right here for you to be notified. And the principal reason at the moment is the notification when a client who's received a CV from you has clicked on that link to download the CV. So it's, as part of that, it triggers a notification which utilizes the web service that we finished as part of this sprint as well. To demonstrate this in action, if we send this candidate here, and we include their CV in the email. So the email that's being sent is here. Hit send, and that's off. And then when that email comes through into my mailbox, I'll click on the link and it will download the CV, but then it'll also trigger a notification up here as part of the workflow. There it is. And let's click on that link. And there's the CV being downloaded there. And then give it a few moments and the notification will be triggered. Take it back to the overview page. And there's that notification coming through there. So we click on that and you can see it highlighted there. Other notifications will obviously appear within the notifications panel. You can remove those one off, or you can obviously clear all. And within the notification, there will be links to open up the associated entity records relating to the notification. If you have any queries or feedback, please get in touch. I'll be keen to hear from you. The next video will be for the sprint plan of 17.04.01, and as before, this will contain a high-level overview on the items we intend to work on during this sprint. Thanks for watching.